made it to the fishing spot, or I should say the traffic spot. We got 3 traps to set today. We're gonna try doing them as fast as we can because, you know, we're going to Minnesota. Which one do you think I should do here? This one?
Sure.
Right. Which one do you put the longer rope on?
Prego.
Okay. Now we got the trap out, and this time all we're using for our homemade, or for our bait, is our homemade food. Now it's a little bit loud over here, you probably won't be able to hear me much, so that's why I got the GoPro, but here I go. Woo! Ah. Oh boy. Some good spots here. Get a little water. Just set down there. We're gonna tie her off. Yeah. Alright, so we got that one all tied off and down there, and we'll be back in about 45 minutes to an hour. We'll put the bigger one up there.
All right, we are at our second spot.
That's trap number 2, homemade food again. This one we're gonna try to get underneath the bridge and then tie it to the bridge. Again, sorry if you can't hear me, like this water is flowing really, really good.
We got a good view for you. And we'll be back for it in about 45 minutes.
Oh yeah.
About 40, and that one probably like 50, maybe an hour.
Yeah. The bait's still in the tank. Should we leave it for Chad?
And you can put on here leaving this one because the bait's still there and might as well.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Oh yeah, right here in the little pool.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me know if you want me to do it. You got it? So this time, Katie wanted to go set this trap, so I'm recording. I also got the GoPro. That way she doesn't have to focus about too many things, but let's see how she does. This is the bigger trap too. She almost lost the food on the first go. Oh, the bigger opening is gonna make it easier for it to come out, huh? So while she's working on that, we might just have to put it in there and hope that the smell stays. But we're gonna work on a mechanism that holds the bait inside the trap now and it doesn't float away. I just thought of that. We'll figure it out. So now we can improve on our traps. Looks like she's getting her all finished up now.
Floating around in the current.
That'll work.
Right side up, so.
So that's the third trap there. We're gonna finish our walk, do this big loop, then we'll start picking them all up and we'll show you what we get. Hopefully we catch something, cross your fingers. If we don't catch anything, we will show you that as well because you don't catch stuff every time and we're gonna show you that part of it too. So we'll see you in a bit. Yep.
I'll be reaching for it and we're ignoring it.
Here she goes. We'll see what's in it. Whoa, so whole lot of nothing. Let's get you out of here. We can look real quick. and dump it out. Nothing in it anyway. Huh? And you can just cut this one off.
Yeah.
And go to this.
This one's about 40 and that one probably like 50, maybe an hour.
The bait's still in the tank. Should we leave it for Chad? Man, he's a gorgeous duck.
Yeah.
Quack, quack. Walk away just because it's so damn loud over here. Dang loud. My bad. Luckily that's not the worst word I can say. But I'm gonna go check it. Hopefully there's something in there. We did leave the other trap because the bait was still in it. It's good. It's a good spot. Chad's gonna come check it either tomorrow or the next day. So we'll see what happens. But for now, I'm gonna go down and check this guy. Well, there's nothing in it, but the bait survived. I'd leave it in there or put it in a new spot, but the rope's untied, so luckily we got the trap. We don't want to litter in the water, so we'll get out of here. So that's gonna be it for this trap video today. As you saw, we didn't really catch nothing, and that's kind of the way it goes. But you've seen in our last videos, or my very first videos of this channel, if you haven't, go check them out. I have caught I have caught fish here, and I've caught crawdads here before. So go check that out. I have the proof. Today we didn't. We left the trap out there, so hopefully Chad will get something. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a while since we made a trap video. It was pretty fun. So we're gonna start making some more of them. And we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.